times.
Hello everybody, I am with Battle Cats Airsoft playing a pickup game on Sunday.
Come on!
Our mission today is to take out the enemy players and find out where the down pilot is. My goal is to rush forward and attack the enemy team head on. Here we go.
Falling back, I gotta reload.
About to get caught in a huge firefight as multiple enemy players have flanked us on our left-hand side.
Oh, taking fire. Shit. Woo.
Running into mag feeding issues and I'm soon taken out by the enemy team.
Woo, shit. Hit! Hit! A bunch pushed left.
They're all flanking our direct opposite. Where we are in the field, they're...
My UMP-45 is completely out of ammo, so I leave it behind and try to get an M203 or a knife kill. Let's go for it.
There's another one over there.
I came over because I was arguing with somebody.
To my left, I see an enemy player's rifle. I know I'm getting close. Time to move even slower. This enemy player has not seen me yet. Let's get him with the M203. guys, hope you guys enjoyed that video. Make sure you hit that like and subscribe button for more videos, and to catch part 2 of this video series. This is K Factor. We'll see you guys next time.